यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं आइसोथर्मल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ आइडियल एंड आइडियल गैसेस। इन आइसोथर्मल एक्सपेंशन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सिस्टम रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट ड्यूरिंग द होल प्रोसेस। चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी इक्वल टू चेंज इन एंथैल्पी। हीट ट्रांसफर वर्क डन डेल्टा U बराबर ये फॉर इन आइसोथर्मल एक्सपेंशन और compression of an ideal gas. The internal energy of an ideal gas is a function of temperature only. Change in enthalpy delta H equal to U plus PV delta H equal to plus delta PV equal to delta U plus delta nRT delta H equal to delta U plus nR delta T for any isothermal expression or compression of an ideal delta U equal to 0 T equal to 0 delta H equal to 0 work done during isothermal reversible expansion of an ideal. P external equal to P minus dP dW equal to minus P external dV P minus dP T into dV minus P dV plus dP upon dV dW equal to minus P dV W reversible equal to minus B1 upon B2 minus B1 to B2 minus P dV P equal to RT P equal to RT upon B W reversible equal to B1 upon B2 RT upon B dV W equal to RT V1 upon B2 dV upon dV W reversible equal to minus RTL and B2 W reversible 2.303 and RT log B2 upon B1 W reversible equal to 2.303 log P1 upon P2 heat transfer delta U equal to Q plus W isotopic delta U equal to 0 Q reversible equal to minus W R reversible W R reversible equal to 2.303 and RT log B2 upon B1 Q reversible equal to 2.303 RT log B2 upon B1 Q reversible equal to minus R reversible minus X A reversible expansion of minus W equal to minus P1 minus P dV V1 to V2 energy against constant pressure and temperature P external equal to minus P external dV W equal to minus P external V1 to V2 dV delta V equal to V2 minus V1 experience external equal to 0 work equal to 0 application of Hess law of constant heat summation. It helps in calculating the enthalpies of formation of the compounds which cannot be experimentally determined. It helps in determining the enthalpies of electrotropic transformation like graphite diamond. It helps in calculating the enthalpy of system. A equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 C plus half O2 equal to CO in 11.5 kilo C plus half O2 CO2 C plus O2 CO2 delta H equal to minus 3 kilojoule thermal expansion enthalpy of neutralization when enthalpy when 1 gram equivalent of an attitude is neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base in dilute solutions delta Hn of the solute strong acid and strong base is constant. The constant value is expressed with the help of theory of ionization. Strong acid plus a strong base short circuit H2O the ions which are common on both sides. The heat of neutralization of a strong acid and a strong base is nearly the heat of summation of water from H and OH minus ion. Enthalpy of neutralization and for weak acid and SP enthalpy of weak acid are SAR and WB are WA neutralization is less than 30 minus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole. We have only some amount of enthalpy is utilized for self ionization or dissociation. Delta Hn is same for HCl plus NaOH minus 37 kilocalorie per mole. HNO3 plus CoOH enthalpy of neutralization change in enthalpy on 1 mole substance is dissolved in a amount of solvent. Delta S solvent equal to delta S lattice plus delta H hydration A plus B. For heat of ionic radiation, delta S is positive and the solution process is induction. Therefore, solubility of salts in water increases with the rise of delta T. Delta TB C delta H plus is positive. Heat of combustion CH4 plus O3 CO2 plus H2O. HCC that number of carbon are equal, then HOC is universally proportional to stability. Heat of reaction, the heat of reaction and enthalpy of a chemical reaction is the difference between the sum of the enthalpies of the product and the reactant with every substance independent physical state and its amount of moles to represented by coefficient in balanced equation. The enthalpy change that accompanies a chemical reaction is enthalpy of reaction denoted by delta L. Considering the reaction AA plus BB turn CCD, the heat of reaction for the solute process is delta H equal to H of product summation of H of product minus summation of H of reactant equal to delta H summation of HP minus summation of HR CSC plus DHD minus AA AHA plus BHB ZC plus S2 Z2C plus S2 CS2 delta is equal to 226.0 kilojoules standard enthalpy of reaction. It is enthalpy in a company the reaction when all the substances involved are in their standard state. Thermodynamic properties of ideal monoatomic gases. Properties of an ideal gas is thermodynamic properties of a canonical partition function motor a n v variable t function is t equal to u minus t k t square dl and theta upon dt v content b and dependent variable minus t k l and q plus k t t dl and theta upon dt v comma and variable a is equal to minus बराबर k t square dl and q upon dt minus k t and theta plus k t square dl and theta upon dt v upon n a is equal to k t l and q mixture of particle of different three d upon dni at t comma b comma ni gi is equal to dg upon dni t p and 3 pi is equal to minus kt dl and q upon dni t p and gi I u mu I enthalpy and heat capacity is equal to u plus pv is equal to kt square dl and q upon d theta dt at v comma n plus kt square dl and theta upon dv at t comma n cb is equal to u upon dt at v is equal to 2 kt dl and q upon dt plus kt square du square theta upon dt square 2 kt upon q d theta upon dt at variable v comma n plus kt square upon cr kt square upon cr du 2 theta upon dt 2 minus kt square upon a square da upon dt का whole square v n Cp is equal to Cv minus T dV upon delta P at constant temperature del P upon delta T whole square is equal to Cv minus del P upon delta T at whole square V constant B dV upon dV. Ideal monatomic gases develop explicit expressions for the thermodynamic property of an ideal monatomic gas. Atom not a point possess complicated electronic and a nuclear structure. Numerous energy states associated with the internal degree of freedom. Born Oppenheimer approximation translational state energy are independent of the electronic and nuclear energy state. Electronic and nuclear energy states of an atomic may also be considered to be independent. Ideal independent monatomic energy mode is equal to E translation plus E rotation plus E electronic E translation E rotational Q is equal to summation E minus E power translation plus E electronic plus E rotational upon KT Q is equal to 0 Q is equal to Q trans Q electronic Q is equal to summation E power minus E trans I upon KT Q electronic equal to Q summation of E electronic state Q rotational is equal to the equal minus E n x j upon n I r t. Nuclear state Q trans is equal to 2 pi m rho h square power 3 by 2 v 2 pi m kt upon h square into power 3 by 2 v. De Broglie level momentum of particle in liquid particle delta C transition translate v is upon delta cube delta is equal to h square upon 2 kmt. Electron U is equal to 3 by 2 kt Cp is equal to 5 by 2 n and Cv is equal to 3 by 2 n. Our function A is equal to U minus Ts minus kt ln q ln q is equal to n ln 2 pi m kt upon h square power 3 by 2 v e upon n is equal to minus n kt ln 2 pi m kt upon h square power 3 by 2 v e upon n. Equation of state P is equal to kt dln q dv at t comma n dkt dln d upon dn n ln 2 pi m kt upon h square power 3 by 2 v e n at t comma n kt n plus d upon del v at ln v upon t k minus kt n 1 upon t minus del v upon dln upon dv minus n kt upon v. Enthalpy is equal to k ln s k ln q plus k t d ln theta upon dt at v comma n Schnecker tetrad equation s is equal to n k ln 2 pi m kt power 3 by 2 upon h square kt power b power minus 5 by 2 5 by 2. Ideal gas of diatomic molecule q is equal to summation gi e power minus ei upon hbt. Rotational partition function g j h square j j plus 1 upon 8 pi square I while j equal to 0 1 2 beta equal to 1 h upon 4 8 pi I square I. Q rotational equal to L power 0 to V to j plus 1 exponent minus g square upon kbt. J equal to 0 to n to j plus 1 exponent minus h square j plus 1 upon 8 pi cube r to t a r 8 pi square I kbt upon h square divided dt exponential minus h cube j plus 1 upon 8 pi square I kbt 8 pi square I pi cube r kbt upon h square d upon du is equal to plus minus j is equal to 1 upon plus minus j. Low temperature limit Q reversible T tends to 0 1 plus 3 exponential h square upon 4 pi square. High temperature limit gap between adjacent energy levels decreases and we can replace the summation by integration Q rotational equal to R T tends to infinity 0 to infinity du d 2j plus 1 exponential minus n square j plus 1 upon t 8 pi square I k v t q total equal to t tends to infinity 0 to infinity dx e power minus h square x upon 8 pi square I k v t x equal to j plus 1 8 pi square I k v t upon h square equal to t by theta theta is equal to h square upon h square upon 8 pi I square I k h equal to n b t ln theta t upon theta q revolution q reversible equal to t tends to infinity 0 to infinity du to j plus 1 exponential minus h square j plus 1 upon 8 pi square I k v t du q reversible t tends to infinity 0 to infinity minus dx exponential minus h square x upon 8 pi square I k v t j plus 1 x equal to 8 pi square I k v t upon k v t I k v t upon h square equal to t by theta theta equal to h square upon 8 pi I square I r rotational energy entropy and specific heat 2 3 cv rotational equal to n kb vibrational partition function spherical top q infinity equal to pi power 1 by 2 upon sigma 8 pi square I a kbt upon h square I square I c kbt upon h square density of state equal to h square upon 8 ml square ml x n x square plus n y square plus n z square phi e is the function of e equal to pi by 6 8 m ln l square upon h square 6 upon pi 1 to n x square plus n y square plus n z square equal to n square 8 m ln square upon h square e h equal to px square plus py square plus pz square upon 2m. Specific heat of capacity C is equal to 3 Einstein divide theory of specific heat of molecular vibration C is equal to minus T ds upon dt hb C is equal to 3 n kb hu upon kbt power to whole square power 2 exponential minus h nu upon kbt 1 minus exponential h nu upon kbt. Shown first by Einstein. This expression of the specific heat of harmonic oscillator plays an important role in determining the specific heat of solids at low temperature. S is equal to dA upon dt at B equal to minus n kb d ln 1 minus exponential minus h nu upon kbt plus h nu upon t exponential minus h nu upon kt 1 plus exponential h nu upon kt q h equal to 8 pi square I k bt upon h square d upon d rj. दोस्तों चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।